As we age, collagen and elastin production decline, leading to fine lines, wrinkles, and sagging skin. Collagen peptide serums are designed to stimulate natural collagen synthesis, restore elasticity, and hydrate the skin deeply. However, choosing the right serum can be overwhelming with so many options on the market. In this video, we've curated the best collagen peptide serums featuring number 5 top products that deliver visible anti-aging benefits. We'll break down their key features, benefits, usability, and durability, so you can select the perfect serum for smoother, firmer, and youthful skin. Kicking off our list at number 1, L'Oreal Collagen Filler. The L'Oreal Collagen Filler Serum is formulated to visibly reduce wrinkles and restore skin elasticity. Enriched with collagen peptides and hyaluronic acid, it penetrates deeply to target fine lines and improve skin's firmness. Suitable for all skin types, this serum focuses on boosting collagen levels and enhancing overall skin texture while leaving the face smooth and hydrated without greasiness. Key features. The serum contains collagen peptides to stimulate collagen production, hyaluronic acid for hydration, and vitamin C for brightening. Its lightweight texture absorbs quickly and layers well under moisturizers or makeup. It is free from harsh parabens and delivers a professional quality skincare experience at home. Benefits and usage. L'Oreal Collagen Filler Serum reduces the appearance of wrinkles, restores elasticity, and promotes smoother skin. Apply a few drops to cleansed face and neck twice daily, morning and evening. Regular use improves firmness, minimizes fine lines, and enhances radiance. The combination of peptides and hydration ensures skin feels plump, revitalized, and youthful over time. Usability. Its fast-absorbing texture spreads evenly and leaves no sticky residue. The subtle scent enhances application, and the dropper allows precise, hygienic dispensing. Suitable for sensitive, combination, or dry skin, it can be easily incorporated into any skincare routine without irritation. Durability. A small amount per application is sufficient for full face coverage, allowing a single bottle to last several months. Its potent formula maintains effectiveness over time, delivering consistent anti-aging benefits and long-term skin improvement, making it a reliable addition to daily skincare. In the second spot, we have Derma E Advanced Peptides and Collagen Serum. The Derma E Advanced Peptides and Collagen Serum is a natural, vegan-friendly serum designed to restore firmness, smooth wrinkles, and enhance elasticity. It combines collagen-stimulating peptides with antioxidants to protect the skin from environmental damage while promoting hydration. Suitable for all skin types, it integrates seamlessly into daily routines to support healthier, more resilient skin. Key features. Key ingredients include Matrixyl 3000 and hyaluronic acid to boost collagen production, aloe vera for soothing, and vitamin C for brightening. It is free from parabens, sulfates, and GMOs, making it safe for sensitive or reactive skin. Its lightweight formulation absorbs quickly and layers well under moisturizers. Benefits and usage. Derma E Advanced Peptides and Collagen Serum reduces visible signs of aging, improves elasticity, and provides long-lasting hydration. Apply 2 to 3 drops to a cleansed face and neck twice daily. With continued use, it helps smooth fine lines, firm the skin, and restore a youthful, radiant complexion while maintaining natural moisture balance. Usability. The serum spreads easily, absorbs rapidly, and leaves a comfortable, non-greasy finish. It can be used under sunscreen or makeup without interference. Its gentle formula is suitable for sensitive skin, and the dropper provides precise, hygienic application for consistent results. Durability. A small amount per application covers the entire face, ensuring one bottle lasts for months. Its natural, stable ingredients maintain efficacy over time, consistently delivering hydration, collagen support, and visible skin improvement for long-term anti-aging benefits. Coming in at number 3 is the TruSkin Collagen Peptide. The TruSkin Collagen Peptide Serum is formulated to promote collagen synthesis, reduce fine lines, and enhance elasticity. Packed with peptides, plant-based stem cells, and antioxidants, it supports skin health while maintaining hydration. Ideal for all skin types, it delivers a youthful glow and smooth texture without irritation or heaviness. Key features. The serum features collagen peptides, hyaluronic acid, and vitamin C to stimulate collagen, hydrate, and brighten skin. It is vegan, cruelty-free, and free from parabens, sulfates, and synthetic fragrances. Its lightweight texture absorbs quickly, leaving the skin soft, plump, and refreshed. Usability. The serum spreads evenly and absorbs quickly, leaving no sticky residue. It layers seamlessly under moisturizer, sunscreen, or makeup. Suitable for dry, sensitive, or combination skin, it integrates effortlessly into daily routines. The dropper ensures precise, hygienic application for maximum results. Durability. A small amount provides full face coverage, allowing one bottle to last several months. The stable, plant-based ingredients maintain potency over time, ensuring consistent hydration, collagen stimulation, and anti-aging results. Regular use leads to firmer, smoother, and rejuvenated skin with visibly improved texture and firmness over time. Taking our 4th spot is the Vichy LiftActiv Collagen Specialist Serum. The Vichy LiftActiv Collagen Specialist Serum is a high-performance anti-aging serum designed to stimulate collagen production, reduce wrinkles, and firm skin. Combining peptides with hyaluronic acid, it targets sagging skin while delivering hydration, promoting a youthful, smooth, and radiant complexion. Suitable for mature, dry, or combination skin, it supports long-term skin health. Key ingredients include collagen-boosting peptides, hyaluronic acid for hydration, and Vichy mineralizing water to strengthen the skin barrier. The formula is hypoallergenic, free from parabens, and lightweight, allowing fast absorption and easy layering under moisturizer or makeup. Benefits and usage. Vichy LiftActiv Collagen Specialist Serum improves elasticity, minimizes fine lines, and restores firmness. Apply a few drops to cleansed face and neck twice daily. Regular use promotes a smoother, plumper, and revitalized complexion. Its peptide-rich formula supports long-term collagen production, reducing visible signs of aging over time. Usability. The serum spreads easily and absorbs rapidly, leaving no greasy residue. Suitable for sensitive or dry skin, it layers well with other products. The subtle scent adds to the user experience, and the dropper allows precise, hygienic application for consistent, effective results. Durability. Only a small amount is needed per application, making a single bottle last several months. Its stable, high-quality ingredients maintain potency over time, delivering consistent anti-aging benefits, hydration, and improved elasticity for long-term skin improvement.
And finally, at number 5, we have Algenist Liquid Collagen. The Algenist Liquid Collagen Serum is a powerful liquid collagen serum designed to restore elasticity, reduce fine lines, and improve skin firmness. Infused with vegan collagen and hyaluronic acid, it strengthens the skin's structure, promotes hydration, and revitalizes the complexion. Ideal for all skin types, it delivers high-performance anti-aging results in a lightweight formula. Key features. Key ingredients include vegan collagen to support structural integrity, hyaluronic acid to enhance elasticity, and peptides to smooth wrinkles. It is free from parabens, sulfates, and synthetic fragrances. Its fast-absorbing texture leaves the skin plump and hydrated without heaviness. Benefits and usage. Algenist Liquid Collagen Serum firms, smooths, and hydrates the skin while supporting collagen synthesis. Apply 2 to 3 drops to cleansed face and neck morning and evening. Its hydrating and rejuvenating formula improves elasticity, texture, and overall radiance. With regular use, the skin appears smoother, firmer, and more youthful over time. Usability. The lightweight serum spreads evenly and absorbs quickly. It layers well with moisturizer, sunscreen, or makeup. Suitable for dry, sensitive, or combination skin, its subtle scent enhances the application experience. The dropper ensures precise and hygienic usage for consistent results. Durability. Only a few drops per application are needed, so a single bottle lasts several months. The stable, potent formula maintains efficacy, providing consistent collagen support, hydration, and long-term skin improvement. Continued use promotes resilient, youthful, and revitalized skin. And that concludes our roundup of the best collagen peptide serums to help you achieve firmer, smoother, and more youthful skin. From L'Oreal Collagen Filler to Algenist Liquid Collagen, each of these No. 5 serums offers powerful collagen-boosting, hydrating, and anti-aging benefits. Using a serum consistently is essential for long-lasting results, helping to restore elasticity, reduce fine lines, and improve overall skin texture. Choose the one that suits your skin type and enjoy radiant, revitalized skin every day.